Hey, this is AARJ and in this video, we are showing you the top 5 manga on Reawakening. Apotheosis. This is a story about Liu Zheng, our main character, who is currently now a humble slave, treated very inhumanly, but it was not like that early. He was born into a rich family. Due to his family decline and kidnapping of his sister by a powerful enemy, now only he can act like a slave for his rest of his life. But everything changes after he finds out an ancient book left by his father, which contained various divine powers and techniques which gave him immense power. After he obtained this power and masters it, he leaves on a journey to find his sister and return the glory of his family. So basically, it's about a journey against his fate, cruel to him in many ways. Battle through the heavens. If you have read any action mangas or a manga or a manhwa, you have to definitely try this manga. The main character Xiao Yan was considered a genius, one of the most powerful children in Xiao family. Xiao Yan has gradually lost his fighting powers over past 3 years and now considered to be a trash in his family. So he desperately tries to prove his powers, but nobody else cares about him. But at his lowest point of his life, he finds a ghost around his mother's graveyard. This ghost claims that he was the one who took his power, and now he wants to help him. So, training under this ghost and all took him to the quest where he meets Flying Purple Lion to Queen Medusa. God knows what else. You have to read if you want to know more. The beginning after the ending. So basically, this story talks about a king who had unraveled strength, wealth, and prosperity in the world governed by a martial ability. But due to the certain circumstances, he was betrayed and backstabbed by his loyal ones, and he was reincarnated into the world filled with magic and monsters and all. In short, the king has given a second chance to relive his life with the past memories. So this manga is full of an adventure, mysteries, and you guys should definitely watch this. The Magic Emperor. Zhou Yifan, who was a great magic emperor, gets transferred into a different body at the verge of his death. Many masters were interested in his secret of his power, and with the help of his apprentice Betrayal, they were able to take him down, but was able to transfer with all his secret intact and vowing for revenge. He was transferred into a body of young Zhou Fan, who was already dead, but of his memory were accessible to Zhou Yifan. Zhou Yifan is now rebirthed as Zhou Fan, as the demonic power of observing other power, and using this power, he steals the power of his enemy without showing any remorse, or it's called mercy. But one of the reason he started increasing his power to protect current Leo family and their leaders, and he also wanted to be powerful once again, as he was betrayed and he wanted to take revenge. He has all the knowledge and the power gathered when he was a magic emperor. His goal is to become a magic emperor. And at the number one, we have Solo Leveling. Now, I'm gonna be honest, this is probably the best manga I have ever seen. I wish I could see a anime based on this. In Solo Leveling, we have a world that has to deal with appearance of portal along with the appearance of special people with special abilities to deal with these creatures. We follow protagonist as E Ranker, whose name as the weakest hunter in the world. But during a tragic mission, he receives a unique gift. This gift makes the world have elements like RPG. So it's actually a game in a real life. So if you haven't read it yet, please give it a shot. Well, that was today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any suggestion for further videos, leave a comment down below and let us know. Thank you.